I have an Asian chick with me, and dang, she got fat ass. Okay, yes, yes. As y'all can tell, my voice is gone, and my breath stink. So those two combinations does not work with females, but it's working for her because her breath stink too. Okay, let's show.
Welcome back to another video.
Okay, first, thank you for doing my.
What are you talking?
What's up, y'all? It's back with another video. I'm here with the beautiful Miss Michaela.
Oh.
Yes, and she's from. So we about to do this mukbang challenge. We got some fucking sushi. Alright, let's open this bitch. That way you do it.
What?
I don't want to break it. Boy, stop playing with me, nigga. Oh God.
You can easily.
Easily what? Kill somebody?
Yes.
Bitch. Hey, so how you like? So like, what's the technique?
There's so many though. Okay.
Your nails get long, girl. Bitch is cute. It's good.
Hold it like a pencil.
All right, bet.
That's what it looks
How you go? What's yours like?
Like this.
Nah, I'm gonna do all that cute shit.
How do you hold it?
How you doing that? All right, so this is how we gonna do it. Oh wait.
If only you guys could see this.
I think. Oh, that's why it tastes dry because I had no soy sauce.
That's right.
All right. Oh.
Hella wasabi. Put hella wasabi. Wasabi.
We should like do this upstairs, huh?
We can.
I wanna get thirsty with you.
Well, some people are going to and they be like looking for a relationship, looking for.
But they don't really mean that, do they? Have you had a Tinder before? You haven't? We have to make you a Tinder. That shit would be lit. Why? Why not? Because I want to know what dudes say to like females.
Try this.
No, this shit bomb as fuck. I don't know what it is. What is it? That shit good as fuck. Hey, can y'all see me?
Oh, this is the Las Vegas roll.
Las Vegas?
Yeah, and instead of cream cheese, they put cucumber.
Y'all, close enough. I'm eating sushi with a fork. If she ain't bad, that bitch born. Ooh. Yeah, I got a little bit of bars. But let me try that shit. Bruh. Okay. I'm gonna figure this out.
You got it hella uneven.
That's cause it keeps flipping. Okay, hurry up. Okay, we good. You know how it sneaks up? It hits your nose and shit? Yeah, you're crazy. So you gotta do it with all of it. With the ginger. Oh, I forgot you guys. Why do you chill? Cause you need to eat some of mine so you can eat some of yours.
No, just eat. It's all good.
Thank you for treating me to sushi. I'm saying, cause this shit is actually bomb.
Thank you.
Look like, babe.
It's my favorite place to get sushi. It's my favorite place to get sushi.
Oh my God. Can you hit it? Yeah. I know you be trying to help. Yeah.
I feel like I don't look right.
You gotta keep like literally. You gotta just keep practicing it. I'm telling you. It makes you look stupid, but it makes you look good at the same time. So straightforward. Yeah.
Straightforward.
So I was like.
Cause boys.
So say I'm in the DM, right? Hey, Michaela. Do I say hey?
Yes.
I say hey.
Yeah.
You gotta say hey.
You can't just be like, I'm trying to fuck. Like, you know, like.
Okay. So, first, you can't say I'm trying to fuck. You have to say hey first.
Yeah, like.
But that's like sometimes you can't even get past that. Like,
Yeah, just
how do you like? Do you just But you don't have Tinder, so you won't even know how it is. But
You
do
can
people
say-
hit your DMs?
Yes, but like it could be like hey, and like right afterwards, you don't have to wait for them to reply back. Just
Wait,
be
you
like,
say, hey, I'm trying to fuck.
something like that. Yeah,
Okay.
but you gotta be respectful.
So,
too.
hey, Gayla, I'm trying to eat that ass. Like, something like that.
Yeah, I guess so. But you can't just remember to be respectable. That's the only
Respect?
thing.
You're
Yes.
we're respecting us trying to fuck.
Mhm.
How does that even work?
Mm.
Excuse me. Can I pull down drawers and put my balls in your... No, that don't sound right.
You don't make it sound right.
You say it.
Excuse me, miss. I hope you're doing really.
Okay, okay. No, finish.
I hope you're doing fine today. You can say,
But that's
no
yours-
disrespect, but really all I'm looking for is doing this.
That sound. Oh, that might. Thank you, Michaela.
You just gotta say it like that. But you can't just be like, I'm just trying to fuck. You know, that's disrespectful. Just thinking that as like people as just like sex objects. We're not sex objects.
But you are. We are. We all are.
If you think of it like that, then yeah. But I don't think of it as like that.
I feel you. Okay. I feel like that was some great advice from Miss Michaela. You just started an advice show because a lot of these niggas don't know what they doing, including me.
Mhm.
That's why I had to ask you. That shit is nasty. Yeah, take all of this. Okay. See, I did good. See, stop playing. I became a pro Japanese player.
I can't stand your ass. I can't.
Do you prefer black men or Mexican women?
To date? Or what are you talking about?
To date.
To date?
Yeah.
I had no experience. No experience.
With women?
Yes.
So you're taking black dudes?
Yes.
See, we're winning. A lot of people don't know that we're winning, but we're winning. So would you take a fat white guy or black people?
Black.
See, we're winning. I'm trying to let a lot of people know that we're winning.
Oh my god.
Would you take a rich white guy with a small dick or a black guy rich and a big dick? We're winning. I'm trying to let y'all know. This is pretty good.
I'm not gonna say nothing.
No? But what do you prefer? What do you prefer out of all races?
Prefer?
Yeah.
I don't have a preference.
You don't?
Mm-mm.
So you do like white guys?
I don't discriminate.
You don't discriminate?
I don't discriminate. But if he's white, he has to have some flavor. You know, he can't
I
just.
feel you.
He
Like,
can't just
like
be.
Malibu Most Wanted.
I haven't seen that. Oh no! Oh no!
That type of white guy?
No, definitely not. Are you full? Are you gonna eat that? Please do.
I'm gonna say it.
Okay. Where you at? What you doing?
He's like, eating food with a nigga. But we eating your food, little nigga. Hey, hey, eating food with a nigga. Hey, hey, but we eating your food, nigga.
You stupid.
Yeah, I'm out here, nigga, making jams.
I forgot what we're talking about.
Oh, you said you don't have a preference.
Oh. Do you have a preference?
I do.
What's your preference?
Light skins.
License.
Light skins.
¿Por qué?
Because I have noted they just have my heart. Just something about a curly head. Like, not skinny, but you could probably be skinny. I don't know. Curly hair's got my heart. If you light skin and curly hair, you got my heart like a motherfucker. And then she over here get a tan and shit.
What?
Bro, what are you talking about, man? The motherfucker went to the tanner booth. Hey.
Please. Please.
It wasn't like that?
Definitely not.
I'm flattering myself. This look good.
Light skins, especially when they got the colored eyes. The colored eyes. Just
Nah.
colored eyes in general.
I mean, I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about?
I like someone like color eyes kind of doing too much.
You think so?
Like, you already light skin. Just give me some hazel eyes.
Hazel eyes is
like your
colored.
eyes. Like I like your eyes.
Thank you.
Put them on a light skin. We might fall in love and have a baby the same day.
Dude, I'm not gonna do that.
No, you're being a punk right now.
It's gonna come right out my nose.
You're being a punk.
Alright, if I eat this,
Uh-huh.
you have to eat the whole thing over there.
Okay.
Really? At the
Yeah.
same time?
No.
Same time?
No, at the same time.
Same time.
No, I don't trust you.
I don't trust you. I don't trust you.
trust you.
No, I don't.
Go.
Go. 1,
Two.
2, 3.
You gonna put the hair in your mouth?
Why are you doing like that?
It is hair. What else is that?
What is it? It's not hair.
What is it?
I don't know, but I ate it. I don't know.
Alright, you ready?
Are you actually gonna do it?
Yeah.
Are you actually gonna do it?
Yeah.
Fuck no, you think I'm actually gonna do this. I'm not gonna do
That
this.
shit hot as fuck.
It's not even spicy, but then it just burns your nose. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well,
So, Michaela, are you gonna make a YouTube channel?
I already have like 3.
Huh?
I already have like 3.
3?
Follow me or subscribe to my channel.
No, don't do it if
It's
you ain't gonna I mean, I'm not gonna tell them to follow you if you ain't gonna actually post something. Are you gonna post something?
Follow me on Twitter.
Mm-hmm.
Follow me on Twitter,
Okay.
Instagram.
Is it the same thing?
I'm just kidding. My YouTube channel, it was so...
Are you gonna make videos? Cause you're actually a YouTuber now. Because you're on YouTube. And these are the Yetis. Like buddies, but with a Y.
I got you.
Yetis.
Where'd you come up with that?
I have no idea. I used to have this ex. She used to call me Cuddy.
Cuddy.
So I used to want to like think of something that's like meaningful and funny. So I was like Yeti.
Yeti.
That's my Yeti. Yeah,
Yeti.
she like a Yeti, huh?
Yeti.
She part of the Yeti family.
I'm part of the Yeti family.
So are you gonna make a YouTube?
Nah.
No?
I don't think I am.
No? You just gonna be in mine?
Alright,
fuck it. Fuck it.
I don't know, should I? Nah, fuck it. I'm
I
not
feel
gonna
like
do
you're
that.
interesting. If y'all think she interesting and pretty cute, comment below, okay? Oh, make sure you fucking like this fucking and subscribe to it.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Turn the post notifications on. If y'all like this fucking video.
Follow this dude on Instagram. Team Eli.
Yeah, you already know.
Team
You know what I'm
Eli.
saying?
Every day.
If y'all want to see some pranks, comment. If you want to see some pranks on her, comment, okay?
Don't comment.
Alright, love y'all. We about to go. Gang, gang, gang. Yeah, this. Put the middle finger up in my elbow. You're tripping. This nigga. We gotta go anyway. Alright, see y'all later.